Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to activate SSL encryption for your Ionos domain. As you can see, this domain right here is bringing these error messages, and all you need to do is go to your Ionos dashboard, come to the top and click on menu, and then just click here on domains and SSL, the first option. Now you'll see your domain listed, and as you can see, this one actually does not have an SSL certificate that is assigned to this domain. So to go ahead and secure this domain, we need to click on this icon. So you just go ahead and click on that icon right there, and it would redirect you to this page right here where you need to pick between different plans. So you can buy any of these, as you can see, or this one right here. I already have it, the plan, so you can just click on activate now for the plan you already have, and then you just select the domain you want to secure. So this domain right here, we are going to secure this. So you just go ahead and click on it, and you should see right here we can change usage. So we'll use it with our Ionos website. That's perfect. Agree to the terms, click on setup certificate right there. Now we just wait for a few seconds and your SSL certificate will be set up. As you can see, operation successfully completed. And it's really that easy, and that is how to activate SSL encryption for your Ionos domain.